What does 830,000 look like in North Phoenix, Arizona? We're going to find out. Hi, my name is Nicole Black with the Living in Scottsdale channel and your Arizona Realtor. Today, we are going to tour the Chapman model by David Weekly Homes in the Norterra community. This model can be between 2,400 and 2,600 square feet. Option of 3 to 4 bedrooms, 2 to 3 bathrooms, half bath, 3-car garage, and 1 story. Let's go take a look. What did you think? Is this the home for you? Please call, text, email, whatever your preferred communication is, and I will get back to you to answer any questions you have. If you like today's video, please like that button below, hit subscribe, or actually hit the like and subscribe button. What am I thinking? For more luxury home tours, Scottsdale living, market updates, and communities. Hope you're having a great day, evening, or night, wherever you may be. And remember, I'm always here for you.